Mr. Fine, you're the new CEO of Virtuozzo. A few months ago you were hired. You're a Parallels and industry veteran. What may the market expect from your assignment?
So first of all, market should expect from my assignment a lot of energy. We're going to reinvent our company, both in terms of portfolio, that we are refreshing quite a bit, and in terms of the market reach, the target audience. So we're going to continue serving service provider community with the greater solutions. So we are continuing with container technology and with virtual machine technology and software-defined storage. But we're also going to reach out with a new portfolio to them, that is Virtuozzo infrastructure platform, hyper-converged infrastructure solution, and we're also going to bring this portfolio to the enterprise market.
This virtual platform, can you explain what it brings hosting providers?
Absolutely. So it's very simple. It brings them the reach into a completely new use case. So you're going level up from the traditional VPS business that service provider was always serving for last 20 years with our help, with Virtuozzo help. You are going step to the next level to start offering the virtual private cloud. So you are basically becoming a system integrator of a kind, and you are starting to outsource the IT from a medium enterprises, and you can provide virtual private cloud in a box, end to end. So the customers would buy from you resources, compute, storage, network, and then they will create within those resources their fully fledged private cloud.
Okay, some of your customers include Strato, 1&1, GoDaddy.
Yeah.
Can you explain what they're exactly using of Virtuozzo?
Yeah, absolutely. So we are working with all the biggest hosting providers in the world for many years, with most of them more than 10 years. Most of them are using our container technology that was the foundation of their VPS business and still is. Some of them are already transitioning to virtual machines. So we introduced this about 8 years ago, our own hypervisor, and that business is growing quite rapidly. And also they're using our software-defined storage as a premium storage solution for customers who are, in between low-cost hosting with the locally attached storage and between enterprise premium customers with the SAN-based storage. So we're in between. We are providing enterprise-grade quality with the very cost-effective, cost-efficient setup.
Do you also address target the enterprise market?
We are starting to address enterprise market. So up to this day, we were selling mostly to service providers. We were selling also to ISV community, and we have some great success stories, like with Aptio in US, that is building all their solution based on Virtuozzo platform. So they're running their solution for CIO based on Virtuozzo containers, and this is the way how they're selling. So, but for now, with the introduction of the new portfolio, we are definitely going to reach out to enterprise segment, because this solution will be very competitive. This solution can replace not cost-efficient solution from the vendors like VMware, and that can also compete with the strangely non-cost-efficient solution from open source providers, where you actually need to build all these bits and pieces yourself, to stitch them together and then to manage this, and this incurs significant overhead and costs.
What is the importance of open source in your portfolio?
It is massively important. So our hypervisor is relying on KVM technology for last few years, and our team is one of the important contributors into the Linux kernel. So we have some of the best talent in the world. Then within our Virtuozzo infrastructure platform, we are also reliant on OpenStack technology with the networking component and with management component and with multi-tenancy, and this is industry standard. So this is very simple to integrate with other components, and this is bringing pretty broad functionality that is very important for both service provider and enterprise market. So we are leveraging the required components from open source community. At the same time, we're producing a lot of value adds, like our storage software-defined storage is purely designed by Virtuozzo.
Thanks, Mr. Fine. Thanks for your time.
Thank you.